friends, welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. I'm Christa Clark with artisticvegan.com, and today we have a request from my father, Ernie Larson, and he requested pecan pie. Growing up, it was his absolute favorite pie, and I'm pretty sure it still is. He loves pecan pie. His birthday is Monday, 11/11. Lucky guy. So wish him a happy birthday in the comments below, and join me in wishing him a very happy birthday with this delicious pecan pie. I remember the holidays, we'd get to choose our favorite dessert, how lucky, and he would choose pecan pie, and I would definitely choose cherry cheesecake almost every time. But his favorite was pecan pie, and he asked for a vegan version that is a little bit healthier. So we're going to be making a gluten-free and vegan pie that is made using a little bit healthier ingredients and CBD in case you want a little ganja in it. So however you want to do it. And I'm also going to be making it miniature, so just a little wee baby one in case you just want to taste to see how it is. So let's go ahead and get into the recipe. For the pie, you're going to need a vegan egg, some coconut sugar, some coconut oil, earth balance, or CBD oil if you prefer. That's what I'm using today. And then I also have a little bit of flour, some salt, an optional cinnamon that's not usually in there, but you could add it if you want, and then some dates and water. And we're also going to be needing pecans, of course. For the crust, a mixture of buckwheat and rice flour with a little bit of salt. Again, the earth balance coconut oil or CBD oil, and some ice cold water. And this will be my mom's recipe. I happen to have her pie crust recipe, so I'm super lucky, and I just divided it in 4. So we're just gonna make a little one today. First things first, get your pecans into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. To make the crust, you'll wanna mix together the dry ingredients. So I have buckwheat flour, rice flour, and a little bit of salt. Now, of course, you can just use an all-purpose flour, an all-purpose gluten-free flour. Then to that, you'll want about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. And then take 2 butter knives and crisscross them to distribute the oil into the flour. We'll start with 1, go for 2. So once it forms a little ball, then you can roll it out. Now sprinkle a little bit of flour down. Take your little ball of dough, get it into a nice circular shape. Sprinkle it with a little bit of flour. Make sure your rolling pin is floured lightly. Begin rolling it out, make a quarter turn. Once your pie crust is made, put it in the fridge while you make your filling. First, we're gonna need some date paste. So I have a 1/4 cup of dates and a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm gonna blend it together. For the filling, you just wanna mix everything together. So I have some coconut sugar and a little bit of flour as a binding agent. Add some melted oil, and then I've got a little bit of salt, optional cinnamon, vegan egg. Then you wanna add your date paste, either maple syrup or agave, and some vanilla. This is gonna go inside of the pie, so just mix that together. Reserve about a 1/2 cup of your pecans, and then take the balance and crush them or chop them. Now this is a baker's choice. If you like them whole, then just put them in their whole. Add your pecans into your wet. Mix it all in there until it's coated. I'm going for a lot of pecans. Of course, you don't have to. You could use less. Then you just want to pour that into your pie dish. Look at that, our little miniature pie, how cute. And this part's optional. Little extra date syrup in the middle. And then just pop that in your oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes to an hour. It might take a little less since it's small. When you bake it, you can bake it on a silicone mat, aluminum foil, or something just to catch the drippings in case you have any spillover. in the end, you end up with this really cute, small little pecan pie that is absolutely delicious and has just a wonderful flavor of pecan pie. What more could you ask for? Brings back memories. It's a delicious pie. You can get this recipe over at artisticvegan.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.